A lot of people don't actually believe that they can make a whole fortune from crypto in the crypto space without actually trading on a daily basis, which is futures trading or day trading. But what if I told you that there's a legitimate way that you can actually make money in the crypto space without actually trading, even if you have never traded before or you do not have the basic knowledge of crypto trading? Now in this video, I'm going to be breaking down a simple method that is working right now in Nigeria and in Africa. So if you're interested in this video, stay around to the very end. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or you have tried and failed, after watching this video to the very end, you walk away with a strategy that can help you to be earning daily from crypto without actually trading on a daily basis. I can actually guide you through these things. I've tried what works and what doesn't work. That is why I have the confidence to create this video to guide you through step by step on how you can actually be earning from crypto without a full-time day trader. By the end of this video, guys, you will be able to know the daily income strategy in crypto. And then you'll be able to know also the traps that many beginners and newbies fall into as they start in the crypto space, and you'll be able to avoid it. All you have to do right now is to subscribe so that I do not miss my future videos. The first point that I want to share with you guys is the reality of crypto, the reality of earning in crypto, and how many Nigerians and Africans get it wrong. There are two ways, guys, that most Nigerians get it wrong when it comes to crypto trading or crypto in general. Firstly, guys, they just jumpstart into crypto trading. All right, they jumpstart into crypto trading, and then the two ways, guys, is that they have wrong mindset about the earning aspect in crypto. Now, most people who purchase crypto coins, they don't go through it to the very end. All right, and then they also have this get rich quick scheme mindset when they get into crypto. But crypto is not one of those industries that you get so rich. In fact, there's no real legitimate industry that you get rich so quick. All right, even though crypto is turning many people millionaires and billionaires overnight, but it's not that easy, because you need to first get the knowledge. And even if it happens by law, if you're not careful and if you do not gather the necessary knowledge, the money that you make from the crypto space, the market is still going to take it back from you because you did not first spend a whole lot of time studying and learning. This is one of the wrong concepts that many Nigerians have, or they start with. They go up, they just jumpstart trading. If you are going to get started into crypto, get knowledge first. All right, get knowledge. And that is why I've been able to put up a whole full-blown crypto course that is currently selling on Seller at a discount price. Now, the link will be in the description of this video if you are interested in learning crypto under my mentorship, which will actually help you, because there are a whole lot of mentors that will not have the time that I have for my VIP students. All right, when you click on the link in the description of this video and purchase this course, guys, you're going to join my private community on Telegram, where I will be giving you daily signals. We have also grown many students who can actually give you signals also. And then if you have any question, you can also drop it in the community, and I will be there to also guide you through step by step. Many people are not ready to learn before they start earning in crypto, and that is why they keep losing. Seize this opportunity because the course is running at a discount price. Once I have up to 50 people that have purchased this course, it is going to increase. The price is going to increase definitely. Getting into crypto with the mindset of getting rich so quick is a wrong mindset, and it's one of the biggest mistakes that many people make when they get into crypto. Because when you do that, your psychology is already messed up and you are trading based on emotions. All right, that is why somebody with $100 portfolio will want to use $50 to go into a trade because he wants to make $500 at once. But it doesn't work that way. There are rules that you must take, but it comes in the place of knowledge. It comes in the place of learning. For instance, the 10% rule, which I always teach my VIP students, that you must use 10% of every capital that you have at the moment. You don't just enter any trade based on the amount that you feel like you should enter or based on the amount that you want to make. All right, because there's something that is very realistic. It is your stop loss. The TP may not be that realistic, but your stop loss is sure realistic. That is why you need to be careful and you need to gather knowledge first. Now, I have a student of mine who started crypto with 5,000 naira. All right, it may sound so funny, but he started with 5,000 naira, which is around maybe $3 or more. All right, and then today he earns daily from crypto, and I'm going to show you his strategy very shortly in this video. But before we do that, guys, do not forget to like this video, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Now, guys, what is the easiest way to earn in crypto today without actually trading futures or spot? It is called arbitrage, all right? Crypto arbitrage or arbitrage, right? Or P2P. So these are some of the ways that I know a lot of people who are making a whole lot of money from crypto without actually stressing to draw lines on trading view, doing all of the technical analysis. These are some of the ways you can actually become a merchant, probably on Bybit, and you buy and sell crypto. How is it done actually? Now, when it comes to arbitrage, if you have a reliable platform, you can actually put in your money and you get to earn commission on percentage of your capital on a daily basis, which most times doesn't end well. But when it comes to selling as P2P, guys, all you have to do is to register on platforms like Bybit as a merchant. When you do that, you can start with as little as even $10, $5, $15, $20. So all you have to do as a P2P merchant is just to buy low and you sell high. When you buy low and sell high, you don't actually need anything other than your smartphone and patience, because the money is not actually going to come the way you want it. But if you hang on there, or if you stay on and you do not give up, your profit is going to accumulate, and so is your capital over a period of time. Now, earning in crypto is not just enough. One of the ways to also preserve your capital is being aware of scams. All right, being aware of scams, be able to preserve and protect your portfolio, your account, your centralized exchanges, and then also your decentralized exchanges, that is your phrases. So being able to preserve your capital, even if you're trading, right, is one of the best things that can happen to any crypto trader, which boils down to risk management. And then there are also scam platforms, there are also scam investment opportunities, there are also a scam signals group that you're going to be that if you're not careful, you can actually fall for. Be wise enough to protect your capital. Now, there are a whole lot of ways that you can earn also in the crypto space, like getting Web3 jobs. Now, when it comes to Web3 jobs, you can actually become a content creator as a Web3 staff. All right, you can get Web3 jobs for content creation. You can actually create videos or write content. You can also become an account manager or a group manager, that is a community manager. You can become a community manager. You can also become a moderator for projects, and then they get to pay you monthly, or they can pay you with their token. And when they list, the price skyrockets. You can earn a whole lot of generational wealth based on the amount that you have amassed. There are multiple ways that you can earn in the crypto space without actually being a full-time day trader. Now, I've done a full-time blown course that I've listed on Seller. It's currently selling at a discount price. If you're interested in this course, why not just click the link in the description of this video. When you purchase this course, you get to join my private community. You get signals. I also have mentors, and I get information even from outside the country, and I'll also be sharing with you guys in my private community. Do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification button, and if you are a complete newbie in the crypto space, do not guess your way through the crypto space. Join my VIP mentorship program right now by purchasing this course. And guys, I'll see you on the inside.